Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today it is time for another Ipsy Bag.
Ipsy is just for fun and makeup is just for fun.
Makeup is just for fun and Ipsy is just for fun. And if you don't know, my little baby helping me today, you hear her in the background. She enjoys these unboxings, unbagging, or whatever you want to call it. Now I want to correct myself. I think last video I believe I said that it was $10 a month and I think it was, but I believe now it is $12 a month. So sorry for that. I have to still double check if that's the right price. But yes, it's a monthly subscription service. You get a bag of goodies and I believe 5 products every month. I think they also do now have like their Ipsy Plus or something like that.
Let's open this.
Let's open it up and see what we got.
Whoa, flowers.
Ooh.
Ooh,
Let's show them the bag. Ready? This is what the bag looks like. It's really cute. It's like a lavender color. Yeah, it has a little circle. It's like a bamboo ring zipper. That's super cute, right? Now, there are a couple things that are outside of this bag, so I'm going to pull those out first, okay, while you open that up. So outside of the bag, in the packaging bag, there's this Christophe Robin. It is a cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt. So it's a sea salt scrub. You put it, oh, this is for your hair. I thought it was for your face. This is for your hair. It's for sensitive or oily scalp. This purifying shampoo is ideal as a detox or post-coloring. So I guess it's like a deep cleaning hair scrub, scalp scrub. It smells like kind of musky, kind of like cologne, but interesting. Well done, honey. So the next thing that was outside of the bag was this blush brush. Very pretty packaging by Shaina B, Miami.
So, Mommy.
We love brushes. Okay, so real quick before I forget, it does come with a card with all the prices, which is handy, comes in handy. So the cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt, this full-size version goes for $53. So obviously this is not the full-size version, but good to try. This blush brush goes for $23. So what do we have next? Ooh, this is beautiful. This is Helios. This is Helios Luminor Professional Nail Polish. This is the Helios Live-In Lovely Nail Polish. This goes for $12.50. Now with this nail polish, it does say that it has a smart formula photo initiator that cures polish in natural light. So you don't need a UV light or an LED light to cure it like a gel polish. Ooh, and it dries smooth gel-like finish plus a long wear formula. Lasts up to 10 days. Very cool. So the color is Live-In Lovely.
It comes 5 things.
Yeah, it does come with 5 things. This is by Aromatica. This is a Calendula Juicy Cream. This is a cream. It's a moisturizer. What numbers do you see with this one, honey?
And water number.
Yeah.
00.
40.
40.
Okay, so the full-size version of this moisturizer goes for $40.
And the half of this goes for $5.
Oh, let's see how much that is. So this is a moisturizer.
I just want to show you the color of this.
Okay. She's going to show us the color.
Color.
Ooh. Next we have a concealer. We got some on our finger. I heard good stuff about this, actually. Okay. So this is the Kokie Be Bright Illuminating Concealer. This goes for $8.
$8.
This is an under eye concealer, I guess.
And that's it.
And that's it.
And I hope you like this quick little unboxing.
I just love you so much.
Let me show the things.
You want to help hold it? Okay, so that does it. I'm excited to try this concealer out. Let's see how it works. So that does it. That's this month's Ipsy Bag. We got, can you show them? We got this. You can hold it if you want. Right, so we got this nail polish, right? We got a concealer.
Moisturizer.
A moisturizer,
And guess what?
concealer.
Show you the inside.
Show us the inside, babe.
Ooh.
A purifying shampoo scrub and a brush.
Smell it.
I know. Do you like that smell? I can't tell if I like it. It's like pretty strong, right? You like it?
Yeah. It smells like flowers.
You think so? Okay. Cool. All right, so that does it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. If you did, be sure to give it a
Thumbs up.
thumbs up. Be sure to be happy. Be sure to
Click the roll button and throw garbage.
be sure to throw out your garbage. Subscribe if you aren't subscribed already. Ring the bell for notifications. And we will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.
If you want it. God bless you. You're welcome, baby.